cold outside, and that is not helping us clean this roof job. And so today I want to talk to you about how to clean a big roof job when you get these large $15,000 commercial jobs. And so we're up here. It is on a Sunday. We did do it on the weekend, so that way the people aren't in we don't have to worry about cars. We don't have to worry about people. And so this was on a Sunday job. We worked about 8 hours a day. We probably got another 8 hours to do. And with that, we'll be able to get all of this roof done. And this is a $15,000 roof cleaning. And so we are using about a 3% mix. That is what our mixture is. If you don't know what that is, we use 12.5% sodium hypochlorite. And with the sodium hypochlorite, we cut it down. DJ does have a gas pump, so we are getting, we were doing it about 3% for most of the job. This one section right here, we actually put it at 6% because it was pretty bad. I will have some drone footage. I'll have some footage as we're going through here. But again, when you're doing these large commercial jobs, you want to make sure that that you're cleaning around this stuff and you're being careful around this. You want to make sure none of the intakes are sucking this bleach inside of it and they're going to blow gasket of why you're doing this. On this job, we had to get a hydrant meter because we're flowing a 10-gallon minute pump there, and we also got a 10-gallon or 12-gallon minute gas pump, 11-gallon minute gas pump. So to be able to flow all of this water here, we also don't have great water pressure. And so I'll tell you how you can know what your water pressure is in a video coming up here. But again, this is some things that you need to be able to do when you're doing these roof cleanings. Commercial is a great way to get a lot of work. If you're looking to grow your commercial, there's lots of things, not just, a lot of people think, oh, I can only do building washes. Oh, I can only do certain things. No, we can do the roof cleaning. We can do the building washes. You can do the concrete cleaning. And if people are asking you whether you go to apartment complexes, if you're doing large commercial buildings like we're doing here today, these are all things that are great things that can help you grow your business. And so with that, I love helping people grow your business. And so one of the reasons why I do Monday Night Marketing is so that I can help guys that are wanting to grow and scale. And the reason why I do my mentorship is so I can help people grow and scale. And so if you're looking to grow and scale your business and take it to the next level, maybe, I've been hearing people, oh, Jason, it's not pressure washing season as of right now. Today is April 7th, and it's freezing cold right now. And nobody's mowed their grass this year, and so these are all factors in for the residential. That's the great thing about commercial is we can do it all year long. We can do it as long as it's above freezing, and these are some awesome things about commercial work. So if you're looking to get into commercial work, I've got another video. I talked about how to get into commercial work, and I'll put it right here, and I hope I see you in my next video so that you learn and grow your business so you can be successful and that you can have financial freedom and time freedom. go check out my next video right here, and I'll see you in my next video.